Safety First Steady Grip Infant Nail Clipper, Colors by Safety First is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Designed for babies' nails, Nail Clipper is specially designed for trimming tiny finger and toenails. Easy to hold and use, extra large, soft touch handle provides a more comfortable and secure grip. Safe for all ages, nail clippers can be used from newborns to toddlers. Perfect for diaper bag, folding up for storage, this nail clipper makes a great addition to your diaper bag. One-piece set, this pack includes one infant nail clipper. Make grooming your baby's nails safer with the specially designed Safety First Steady Grip Infant Clipper. The extra large handle allows you to hold and operate the clippers more securely, trimming fingernails and toenails more effectively and safely, while the soft touch texture steadies your grip. Folding up for storage, this nail clipper makes a great addition to your diaper bag. This pack includes one infant nail clipper.